Good morning, student of class 5. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, student, in my previous video, I am explaining you chapter number 17, British rule and the first war of independence. And today date is 22/9/2020. So, let's do some recapitulation what we have done in our earlier video. So student, in earlier video we discussed that kings and nawabs unhappy. Reason, doctrine of lapse. Then farmers, they are also unhappy because they are forced to grow indigo plants. From these plants they get blue color for dyeing the clothes. Growing of cotton, again they are forced to grow cotton plants. So, and next point is mills and factories. So they are forced to trade only in goods acquired by the British, and traders were also not allowed to establish their own mills and factories. So these reasons we have already discussed in the previous video. So now first war of independence, let's start from here. So student, now what was the reason for the first war of independence? Let's discuss that, and after that I will explain you with the help of your book also. Okay, so all of you open page number 102. Okay, so see student, what are the reason for the first war of independence? Let's discuss that, and after that I will explain you with the help of your book. Okay, so reason for first war of independence. Some political reason. Then okay, I explain you, then I will write the other points on the board. See, reason for first war of independence, political reason. After that, economic. Then social reason also, then religious reasons also. So let's discuss. These are the reasons, student, for the first war of independence, that is in 1857. Okay, so what's happened? These are the reason. See, political reason is, and student, one more thing, at that time the policy are all the policy, that is for example, these policies are applied by a Lord Dalhousie. It is not given in the book, but if you, for your better understanding, if you want to note down, you can note down. So at that times all the policies, so recommended by Lord Dalhousie. Okay, so there are some reason for the first war of independence. Okay, first is a political reason. Okay, what is political reason? Now what political reason? That they bring one law, that I already explained you, doctrine of, okay, so what is the political reason? That is a doctrine of lapse. Okay, what does it mean, student? It means that any king or nawab, if they died and if they don't have a male heir, then what happens? Their territories, जो उनकी territories होंगी, would pass on to a British hands. ठीक है, उनकी पॉलिटिकल रीजन था कि डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ लैप्स, उन्होंने उस समय एक लॉ बनाया, पॉलिसी बनाई कि फॉर एग्जांपल अगर कोई भी किंग, ठीक है, तो इफ एनी किंग डाइड और उसका कोई मेल उत्तराधिकारी नहीं होगा, अगर उसका कोई बेटा नहीं होगा, अपना होना चाहिए, ये भी नहीं कि गोद लिया बेटा, इज इट क्लियर, अपना बेटा उसका होना चाहिए, अगर ऐसा होता है देन इट्स ओके. इफ द किंग डाइड विदाउट एनी मेल हेयर, उसका अपना कोई बेटा नहीं होगा, देन व्हाट्स हैपेंड, द एरिया बिलोंग्स टू दैट किंग, हिज टेरिटरी विल कम इनटू द ब्रिटिश हैंड्स. तो उसके एरिया के ऊपर किसका रूल हो जाएगा? ब्रिटिश का हो जाएगा. इज इट क्लियर? सो दिस इज आल्सो द रीजन many of the kings, they are against this. जैसे आप लोग ने सुना होगा रानी लक्ष्मीबाई. सो तो रानी लक्ष्मीबाई ने भी, उनका अपना बेटा कोई नहीं था, उन्होंने भी गोद लिया बेटा लिया था. ठीक है, सो एट दैट टाइम many kings are against this. Why? Because क्योंकि they thought that if this happens then what's happen, easily देखो, अगर if there is no male here of that king, then whole territory of that king will come under the hands of a British. So at that time many of the kings and nawab who is ruling at that time, they oppose this. That is the also reason for doctrine, they oppose it, that is this point, political point, that is doctrine of lapse. This is also the reason for first war of independence. Second is the economic. So what happened? Just I explained you also that the British forced the Indian farmers to grow indigo plants. So second reason is the indigo plants. Second reason is the indigo plants. Okay, second reason is of the indigo plants. Now what happened here student, they are economic reason क्या था 1850 फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर का, बिकॉज ब्रिटिश force Indian farmer to grow indigo plants because blue color they are getting from it and they are using this color for dyeing the cloth, and even they take these things from the farmer with a very low price. Okay, another reason is cotton plant. They again force Indian farmer to grow cotton plants and again they are buying this from the farmers at a very low price. बहुत कम प्राइसलेस रेट में ले रहे थे. Another thing, they don't allow Indian traders to open the mills and factories. So what happened, due to this there is a extreme poverty, बहुत गरीबी आ गई. Okay, and see, when they are forced and the population is too much and when they are forced to grow these types of things, then what happens, they people are not getting enough food. ठीक है, peoples are not getting enough food also because they are forced to grow these types of plants. So one reason is they don't have money, another reason is they don't have food to eat. So that is the reason, and this is a economic reason आप समझते हो, it is related to the money. ठीक है, here they force them to grow indigo plants and even they are buying these plants from the farmer at a very low price. So this is also the reason for that. Social reason, see, I will explain with the book also, but just now I tell you little explanation I give you. See, there are many Indian soldiers are in British army. ठीक है, so at that time there are many of the soldiers are in Indian army. So equality is not giving to them, more salary is given to the British officers, and even Indian soldiers they are not appointed on the high rank. Is it clear? So this is also the reason. Another reason here is that when a new cartilage come, so before opening that they have to open with the mouth. So at that time ऐसा हुआ कि what so at that time the before opening the cover of that cartilage, so that is covered with the, ऐसा हुआ कि वो उसमें फैट यूज किया गया है. किसका? एनिमल्स का. एनिमल्स लाइक काऊ एंड पिग. सो इवन Hindus also oppose this and Muslims also oppose this. Is it clear? जो नए कार्टिलेज आए वो क्या थे, उन्हें ओपन करने से पहले उन बुलेट्स को जिसके अंदर उनकी कवरिंग थी, तो कवरिंग को ओपन करने के लिए ऐसा आया कि वो जो उन्होंने कवरिंग जिस चीज से की है उसमें एनिमल फैट्स यूज किए हैं, एंड एनिमल फैट लाइक काऊ एंड पिग. सो it hurt Hindus also and it hurt Muslims also. So that is also the reason, religious reason. So many at that time when many British people they forced Hindus and Muslims to change their religion and become Christian. So that is also religious reason also. So student, these are the some of the reasons for the first war of a independence. So one time more I discuss with you so that you can understand better. पॉलिटिकल डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ लैप्स. अब यहां पे क्या हुआ बेटा, किंग्स लोगों को लगा कि नाउ व्हाट इज द न्यू रूल कम दैट इफ एनीवन एनी किंग विल डाइड एंड इफ ही डज नॉट हैव एनी हिज ओन मेल हेयर देन व्हाट हैपेंस, ऑल हिज टेरिटरीज, जो उसका पूरा एरिया है वो ब्रिटिश हैंड्स में आ जाएगा. तो यहाँ पे सब किंग्स ने क्या किया, अपोज किया इसका. उन्होंने देखा कि ये रूल तो बहुत बेकार है. इज इट क्लियर? ऐसा क्योंकि पहले क्या होता था, बाई चांस किसी किंग का अगर अपना कोई अपना मेल हेयर नहीं है तो वो किसी अपने ब्रदर के सन को भी दे सकता था. ठीक है, ऐसा ही होता आता था. अब इन्होंने डायरेक्टली क्या रूल लगा दिया, डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ लैप्स मींस कि द चाइल्ड, द किंग, इफ द किंग डाइड, इफ देर इज नो मेल हेयर, अगर उसका अपना, ठीक है, ये नहीं कि गोद लिया है, अपना कोई अगर उसका लड़का नहीं है, देन हिज होल टेरिटरी विल कम इन ब्रिटिश हैंड. तो बहुत से जो किंग्स थे ये सब उसके क्या है, अगेंस्ट हो गए. दैट इज द रीजन. जैसे रानी लक्ष्मीबाई, ओके, तो बिकॉज रानी लक्ष्मीबाई शी हैज ऑल्सो अडॉप्टेड अ चाइल्ड, मेल चाइल्ड. रानी लक्ष्मीबाई ने भी मेल चाइल्ड को क्या किया था, अडॉप्ट किया था, उनका अपना नहीं था. तो एट दैट टाइम बहुत से किंग्स जो हैं इसके अपोज हो गए, अगेंस्ट हुए, और दे आल्सो फाइट विद द ब्रिटिश पीपल. इकोनॉमिक, इंडिगो प्लांट्स ग्रो करने के लिए बहुत फोर्स किया, कॉटन प्लांट्स ग्रो करने के लिए फोर्स किया. ठीक है, सो दे द फूड, इवन दे आर नॉट गेटिंग फूड टू ईट बिकॉज दूसरी क्रॉप्स जो थी दे ब्रिटिश पीपल force them to grow this types of crop, indigo plant, because they are getting blue color from this and this color is used for dyeing the cloth. Okay, so इससे क्या हो गई, एक्सट्रीम पॉवर्टी आ गई, बिकॉज दे आर बाइंग फ्रॉम द फार्मर विद अ वेरी लो कॉस्ट. इज इट क्लियर? सो दिस इज ऑल्सो द रीजन फॉर फर्स्ट वॉर ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस. सोशल रीजन मैंने आपको बता दिया. देर इज लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस बिटवीन द salary of a, and firstly Indian, there are many Indian soldiers are also in British army, so there is a lot of difference between them. Indian soldier they don't get a higher post, उन्हें कोई हायर पोस्ट पे नहीं रखा जाता था. ठीक है, और इवन दे आर गेटिंग वेरी लेस सैलरी फॉर द जॉब. सो दैट दिस इज ऑल्सो द रीजन. अनदर रीजन मैंने आप लोगों को बताया ही, जो बुलेट ओपन करनी थी उसकी जो कवरिंग थी उसमें ऐसा उस समय हल्ला हुआ कि फैट ऑफ द एनिमल इज यूज. तो फैट ऑफ द एनिमल, विच एनिमल, काउ एंड पिग. सो इट हर्ट बोथ द मुस्लिम्स एंड Hindus. That is also the reason for first war of independence. So and religious भी मैंने आप लोग को डिस्कस कर लिया. They force many Hindus and Muslim to become Christian. So all these are the reason for the first war of independence. Is it clear? Now let's start with the vocab. And see student, as mentioned above, first war of independence, page number 102. As mentioned above, almost all classes of people were unhappy and discontented. So discontented means they are totally not satisfied by the rules and laws made by the British peoples. Okay, or this discontentment amongst the natives of India gave rise to revolt in the year 1857. This is called it the first war of independence. Okay, native means the people, those who are living there, जो वहीं के रहने वाले थे, natives. Is it clear? So और इसके सारे रीजन मैंने आपको बोर्ड पे लिख के भी बता दिए कि पॉलिटिकल रीजन क्या था फर्स्ट वॉर ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस का, इकोनॉमिक रीजन क्या था, एक्सट्रीम पॉवर्टी, बहुत गरीबी आ गई, इवन दे आर नॉट गेटिंग फूड फॉर eating also, food for, even they are not getting food to eat. Okay, so and social reason, that already I discussed with you. Another religious reason, that is also I discussed with you. So these are the reason for the first war of independence. Now let's start with, in the book also it is given what are the causes of first war of independence. Let with the help of the book we understand this. चार्ट से तो मैंने पॉइंट वाइज आपको बता दिया, एक बार बुक से भी डिस्कस कर लेते हैं, ठीक है। अब देखो काजेस, द रिवॉल्ट वाज स्पार्क्ड ऑफ बाय द इंडियन सोल्जर्स ऑफ द ब्रिटिश आर्मी। द इंडियन सोल्जर्स वर ह्यूमिलेटेड as there was marked discrimination and disparity in the salary and stations of the Indian and the European soldiers. Okay, so revolt was sparked. So who started the revolt? Revolt means होता विरोध, किसी चीज के लिए लड़ाई करना, उसके विरोध में आवाज उठाना। तो रिवॉल्ट वाज स्पार्क्ड ऑफ बाय द इंडियन सोल्जर ऑफ द ब्रिटिश आर्मी। जो ब्रिटिश आर्मी, मैंने आपको ऑलरेडी भी बताया था कि इन ब्रिटिश आर्मी देयर आर मेनी इंडियन सोल्जर्स। इज इट क्लियर? सो नाउ द इंडियन सोल्जर वर ह्यूमिलेटेड, उनकी इंसल्ट की जाती थी, उन्हें अपमानित किया जाता था। इज इट क्लियर? as there was marked discrimination and disparity in the salary, ठीक है। जो इंडियंस थे उनके संग भेदभाव करते थे ये इंग्लिश पीपल्स, ब्रिटिश पीपल्स जो भी है, ये भेदभाव करते थे उनके संग, ठीक है। और डिस्पैरिटी था मींस डिफरेंस इन द सैलरी। द ब्रिटिश सोल्जर्स दे आर गेटिंग वेरी गुड सैलरी and Indian soldiers are getting less salary, and even Indian soldiers are not posted on the high rank. Even Indian soldiers are not posted on the high ranks. Is it clear? And another, and there is also difference in the stations, means where they are appointed, of Indian and European soldiers. Okay, now second, the immediate cause was the use of a grease cartridges, जो मैंने ऑलरेडी आप लोग को अभी बताया, ठीक है। तो उस समय क्या ऐसा सुनने को आया कि द एनिमल फैट हैज बीन यूज्ड एंड दे हैव, एंड बिफोर ओपनिंग, बिफोर बीइंग लोडेड, they had to be bitten off before being loaded. These offered both the Hindus and Muslims, so they revolted. ठीक है, so this point I have already discussed with you. This is also the reason for the revolt, because with the grease cartridges, these cartridges had animal fat and to be bitten off before being loaded. जिस कवरिंग में बुलेट्स आती थी, सो उसमें ऐसा उसमें क्या था, उसकी कवरिंग जो थी एनिमल फैट्स की थी, एंड विच एनिमल? काउ एंड पिग. सो दिस हर्ट बोथ Hindus and Muslim, and this is also the cause of the revolt. This is also the cause of the revolt. Is it clear? Now see student, so they were joined by number of leaders from different parts of India. In Delhi, the Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah Jafar was declared the Emperor of India and the leader of the revolt. So what happened at that time? Mughals क्या थे, जो मुगल्स की जो एम्पायर थे, that is what is name, Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah Jafar. So at that time lot of rules and laws have been made by the British peoples. So Bahadur Shah Jafar also thought that if so many people from the Indian army they will join me, so what come in his mind? See, so many soldiers, Indian soldiers are ready to fight. Then he he was the person who become the leader of the revolt. ठीक है, बहादुर शाह जफर, he thought that many soldiers of Indian soldiers, they will fight with him, so he become ready to be the leader of the revolt. Is it clear? Now I will write few names on the board which are those who participate in this revolt of 1857. See, Bahadur Shah Jafar, so others leaders who also take part in the revolt are Nana Sahib Tantia Tope, Liaquat Ali, Kunwar Singh, Rani Lakshmibai, so these are the other person. So who was the leader? In one word, it can be asked in the examination in this form. Who was the leader of the revolt of 1857? So answer is Bahadur Shah Jafar. Okay, but why Bahadur Shah Jafar decided to fight against the British? Because he thought that now all the Indian soldiers will support him. All the Indian soldiers which are in British army, they will all support him. So he decided to become the leader of the revolt. So other persons which take part in this revolt, that is Nana Sahib, Tantia Tope, Liaquat Ali, Kunwar Singh, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Begum Hazrat Mahal of Awadh. So these are the person, these are the leaders, these are the other famous leaders of the revolt of 1857. And another important thing about this revolt is that this 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 war of independence, so it take place only in the part of a North India portion. ठीक है, इंडिया बहुत बड़ी है ना बेटा, लेकिन जो इंडिया का नॉर्थ पोर्शन है वहीं पे ये लड़ाई स्टार्ट हुई. इज इट क्लियर? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, देयर आर what I want to say that all parts of the India, kings which are in other parts of the India, they do not participate in this revolt. ये जो रिवॉल्ट हुआ नॉर्थ इंडिया पोर्शन में हुआ. इंडिया जो नॉर्थ इंडिया पोर्शन है उसी में हुआ, और जो अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ इंडिया वहां के भी किंग्स थे, they do not participate in the revolt. So the important, for example, this revolt take place in Meerut, Delhi, Awadh. You want to note down, then you can write it, because these things are not given in your book. Kanpur, झांसी, ग्वालियर। ठीक है, अब आप लोग स्टेट से पढ़ते हो तो इंडिया तो बहुत बड़ी कंट्री है। ठीक है, सो दिस रिवॉल्ट विच टेक प्लेस, और वी कैन से आल्सो द फर्स्ट वार ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस, इट स्टार्ट ओनली इन द नॉर्थ पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया, एंड द प्लेसेस मेरठ, दिल्ली, अवध, कानपुर, झांसी एंड ग्वालियर। ओके, थैंक यू स्टूडेंट।